After the Wehrmacht took over the Reichswehr diverse fleet of vehicles, which consisted mainly of converted civilian vehicles, the Army Armaments Office was interested in a powerful all-terrain truck. In 1936, the target was a standard vehicle with 2, 3 and 4 axles. In the end, only a truck in the 2.5-ton class was released. The 80 horsepower engine was custom developed by Mann in collaboration with Henschel and Humboldt-Deutz, while the chassis design was mainly derived from Henschel. Contrary to the design of the medium all-terrain truck, there are single tires on 3 axles. Due to the all-wheel drive, the Einheitsdiesel was a popular and extremely off-road vehicle, but the complex technology and low payload were a drawback. It was important for a military armaments office that all elements of all vehicles, regardless of the manufacturer, were the same and interchangeable. This was implemented in the HWA 526D type.